Hi, I'm Rachel Lindhagen, president and founder of Etched Marketing and Etched Marketing Academy. And in today's training lesson, we are talking about how blogging works to grow your business. So my friend, if you want more leads, more customers, more website traffic, and more than anything to make more money in your business, you need to stick with me for this training. Do me a favor, like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber, because then you'll know when new training videos come out. Try to have one for you each week. All right, so how does blogging work to grow your business? Blogging works very simply. Each blog post that you write should be providing value to your potential customer. It should be helping them move further down the sales funnel and be more likely to make a decision that we hope includes purchase from you. So every single blog post that you create needs to provide value to your ideal customer. If you're not providing value, they're not going to read it and it's not going to work. So you want to always think about, what questions does my ideal customer have? What information do they need from me? So you're going to write your blog posts because they're going to provide value. Then we're going to optimize your blog posts, and this is how they really help grow your business. We're going to optimize. We're going to target keywords in those blog posts. We're going to add title tags. We're going to add meta descriptions. If you're not sure what either of those are, I've got videos for you. You know that. How to write a title tag, how to write a meta description. I've even got an entire video on exactly what you need to do step by step for SEO. So grab those videos, they'll help you. So you're going to optimize that blog post. The reason we're going to do this to optimize is that every new blog post that we create strategically, meaning we choose a keyword, we think about our customer, we provide value to them. When we optimize that post, we create a new opportunity for new potential customers to find us. Every single blog post that we create is a new opportunity to be ranked in Google. You want to learn how we get more keywords to rank? This is the video on that. This is why it makes a difference. I see websites that don't blog and I see websites that do blog. And those that do blog can see a 10-fold increase in their website traffic just from the blogs. I know my site itself, my biggest traffic drivers are some of my blog posts and some of my oldest blog posts. Some that are 3, 4, 5 years old are the ones that are sending me the majority of my website traffic. That's the other amazing thing about how blogging helps you grow your business, is that a well-researched, optimized blog post can send you traffic for years, my friend. You can make money off one blog post. If you create a really great blog post today and you target your ideal customer and you provide value and you optimize it for the right keyword, meaning one that your website can rank for, that has a good amount of traffic, where you're going to show up at the top of page 1, that leads to a conversion when they get to your website, you could make money from that one blog post for the next 5 years. It is possible. I talk to people all the time. I see it happen for clients all the time. So that is why blogging is so important to your business. It gets you more chances to be found by new customers on Google. It gives you more opportunities to make money because every blog post can potentially be ranking on Google. So now they're not just finding your website, they're finding your blog posts and they're coming into your website from your blog post. If you're adding an email opt-in, now you're building your email list from your blog posts. This is how it works. This is why I'm so excited about how SEO and content marketing and blogging all work together to grow your business. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and leave me comments here or DM me on Instagram. You'll find me over there as well. I'm happy to answer them and help you understand how to do this for your business. If you're ready to get started, I've got a couple really great resources for you. One is a blogging ideas guide I'll link that in the comments. 2 is an SEO quick start guide. That's going to get you started right away and explain how you optimize this new piece of content that you're going to create. And then number 3 is a free SEO training class that will help you get started and show you what to do on your website to make sure new customers find you and not the competition. So if you're interested in taking the easy route or learning more, there's 3 resources for you. If you have questions, just let me know. I hope you found this super helpful. Do me a favor, if you didn't already, like the video and subscribe so that you stay on top of what's happening here, because I'm going to help you grow your business. I can show you how. Thanks so much.